Up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about smooth low portion guys. In this video I'm talking about SLP coin guys. What's going on in SLP? What's the price changes? What's future planning of SLP? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and update video about SLP coin guys. Anyways guys, now the right now price of SLP coin is about 0.07936 USD dollar. That is the right now price of SLP coin. Furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes of smooth low portion, negative 4.31% changes occur in the SLP coin in the market. So guys, that's mean that from last 24 hours SLP coin price are completely going in the loss, completely the price going in the dumping guys. So what should we do in a right now situation? Nothing, only hold. You can see a lot of people are still investing in a SLP coin because they knows about the future of SLP coin. Now the changes is negative, but trading volume 16% positive. This means that 16% people investing in SLP coin guys. So absolutely have people investing. Very soon guys, the changes of SLP coin will become positive guys, and you're getting a huge profit from SLP coin. Again I request all of you, I recommend all of you to please hold. I know guys that in a right now situation SLP coin price going down, but very soon the changes will become positive and you get profit. Especially a lot of possibilities that at the last of September, at the last week of September, higher possibilities that SLP coin price will take a huge pump guys. But they need to take a jump guys. I'm sure about SLP coin future. Anyways guys, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about SLP coin? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.